Welcome back to Nature's Fix. If you're passionate about health, adventure, or just curious about what nature has to offer, you're in the right place. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will change the way you look at the plants growing all around you. I'm Bear Grylls, and today we're leaving the supermarket behind to discover the wild greens growing right in your backyard. You don't need to travel to remote jungles or climb mountains to find superfoods. Sometimes the most powerful nutrition is right under your nose, hiding in plain sight. Most people overlook these so-called weeds, but they're actually packed with more nutrients than kale. These wild plants are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, often in higher concentrations than the leafy greens you buy at the store. They've been used for centuries in traditional diets and natural medicine. Today I'll show you 7 common weeds that are free to forage and can supercharge your health. We'll explore what makes each one special, how to identify them, and why they deserve a spot on your plate. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to add wild nutrition to your meals. By the end, you'll know how to spot, harvest, and use these nutritional giants, safely and deliciously. So grab your notepad, get ready to step outside, and let's unlock the secrets of nature's most underrated superfoods together. Plantain is everywhere. You might have walked past it 100 times without even noticing. It grows in lawns, pops up along trails, and even finds a home in the cracks of city sidewalks. This humble plant is often dismissed as a weed, but it's actually one of the most useful wild plants you can find. Despite its unassuming appearance, plantain is a true nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in many ways. If you're looking for a wild green that's both easy to find and incredibly good for you, plantain is a top choice. The broad, ribbed leaves are loaded with calcium, potassium, and vitamin K, all of which support strong bones and help your body heal. But that's not all. Plantain also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a great addition to your diet and your natural medicine cabinet. The young, tender leaves are perfect for eating raw. Toss them into salads for a mild, slightly earthy flavor and a boost of nutrition. You can also blend them into smoothies or chop them up to add to sandwiches and wraps. As the leaves mature, they become a bit tougher, but don't let that stop you. Cook mature plantain leaves just like you would spinach, sauté them with garlic, steam them, or add them to soups and stews. Cooking softens the leaves and brings out their rich green flavor. Plantain isn't just food, it's also a time-tested remedy for minor injuries. If you get a sting, bite, or scrape while outdoors, simply crush a fresh plantain leaf and apply it directly to the skin. The leaf's natural compounds help soothe irritation, reduce swelling, and speed up healing. I've used this trick countless times and it never fails to impress. To identify plantain, look for its distinctive parallel veins running the length of each leaf. These veins are a key feature that sets plantain apart from other plants, making it easy to spot once you know what to look for. When harvesting, always choose leaves from clean, unpolluted areas, far from roadsides or places where chemicals might be used. This ensures your plantain is as pure and healthy as possible. So next time you spot plantain growing nearby, remember, it's more than just a weed. It's a wild food, a natural remedy, and a true first aid kit at your feet, ready to nourish and heal wherever you find it. Chickweed may be tiny, but it's a vitamin C and iron powerhouse. I've relied on it for a fresh boost during expeditions when other greens were scarce. Its mild, sweet flavor is perfect in salads, sandwiches, or even green smoothies. Look for its star-shaped flowers and single line of hairs on the stem, best harvested in spring or fall when tender. Don't pass up chickweed, it's a free, nutrient-rich secret of the wild. Lamb's quarters, also known as wild spinach, is one of nature's most resilient and generous gifts. You'll find it thriving wherever people are, whether it's in backyard gardens, sprouting up in compost heaps, or even pushing through cracks in disturbed urban soil. This humble plant is often overlooked as a weed, but it's actually a nutritional powerhouse that has adapted to flourish in a wide range of environments, making it accessible to nearly everyone. Its distinctive diamond-shaped leaves are easy to spot, often dusted with a silvery powdery coating that helps protect the plant from harsh sunlight and pests. But what's truly remarkable is what's inside these leaves. They're packed with protein, vitamins A and C, calcium and iron. In fact, lamb's quarters contains more nutrients per serving than many cultivated greens, making it a true superfood that's been hiding in plain sight. The young, tender leaves are delicious raw in salads, lending a mild, spinach-like flavor, But when you cook them, whether sautéed, steamed, or added to soups and stews, their flavor deepens and their texture softens, making them even more enjoyable and easier to digest. Cooking also helps reduce the oxalates naturally present in the leaves, making their nutrients more available to your body. And it's not just the leaves that are edible. As the season progresses, lamb's quarters produces tiny nutritious seeds that can be harvested and cooked, much like quinoa. These seeds are rich in protein and minerals, offering a wild, nutrient-dense grain that's perfect for adding to porridges, breads, or even as a side dish. For centuries, lamb's quarters has been a vital food source for people around the world. In times of scarcity, it's helped communities survive, and traditional foragers have long recognized its value. Today, as we rediscover the benefits of wild foods, it's time to appreciate this plant not as a weed, but as a resource that connects us to our past and nourishes our future. So next time you spot lamb's quarters growing among the weeds, remember, you're looking at a true superfood, packed with nutrition and history just waiting to be enjoyed. Shepherd's purse is easy to spot with its heart-shaped seed pods. It's rich in vitamin C and iron and has been used to stop bleeding and promote healing. The peppery leaves add a kick to salads and soups. Look for it in gardens and footpaths, especially in early spring and late fall. Sometimes the best flavors and nutrients come from the most unexpected places. Wood sorrel stands out with its tangy, lemony flavor and clover-like leaves. It's rich in vitamin C and potassium, making it a wild pick-me-up. Use leaves, flowers, and seed pods sparingly in salads or tea for a zesty kick. Look for its 3 heart-shaped leaflets in shady, moist spots. Enjoy its flavor in moderation, and discover the wild diversity of greens. Common mallow is a low-growing plant with round leaves and purple flowers, thriving where others struggle. Its leaves are packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, plus calcium and magnesium. The high mucilage content soothes sore throats and digestive tracts. Eat young leaves raw or cooked and use flowers as a garnish or in tea. Mallow is a powerful remedy and nutrient source hiding in plain sight. Purslane is a succulent, low-growing plant with fleshy, reddish stems and spoon-shaped leaves. It's one of the best plant sources of omega-3s, plus vitamins A, C, E, magnesium, and iron. Its crisp, tangy leaves are great in salads, stir-fries, or as a crunchy topping. Purslane's mucilaginous texture thickens soups and stews. Harvest in the morning for the juiciest leaves. Purslane proves the best superfoods are often right under our feet. Before you start foraging, always identify plants correctly. Some have poisonous lookalikes. Avoid harvesting near polluted roads or sprayed lawns. Try small amounts first to check for sensitivities. 7 weeds, healthier than kale, are waiting right outside your door. Like, subscribe, and share for more natural living tips. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.